Hey guys, so we're going to be talking about a new bundle kit that we're offering online at glossit.com. Now this bundle is unique because we're using our 15 long stroke orbit polisher, we're using our Cut Finish 2000 EVO polish, and our 5-inch Euro microfiber pad. Now this is a time saver if you're a professional detailer, but if you're a car enthusiast and you're struggling with the right pad or product combination, this combination right here is going to pull out. I'm going to demonstrate how to use this pad, this polisher, also our Gloss Enhancer Quick Detailer, which is world famous because it's great for final wipe downs or while you're polishing. And we're going to show you how to get results right now with this bundling kit, whether you're a pro or you're a novice.